Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can remove emoji from the picture with your CapCut application. So here the first thing you have to do is just go open your CapCut applications right away. Wait until the application is perfectly open. You must be thinking that CapCut only can work for the video, but you're totally wrong because you can still edit your picture. You just need to pick the photo editor and then pick the picture that you want to edit here. Now here there is no emoji word, but there is a text here, so let's pretend this text is an emoji and let's just cover it up. So you just need to take a look at this bottom feature. There'll be shapes here. Just go click it and pick the shapes that you want to choose. Now we just need to adjusting the length of the shape here. Right after that, you just need to go click style here, go click this color picker and pick the color. Make sure that you pick the color that nears with the text or the emoji that you want to cover, and then you just need to drag the shape into the top of the emoji. So if you want to get the perfect blend color, you just need to adjust it with the color picker, and whenever you're done, go click this checklist button, and now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.